The promise of this technology, one of the ones that I'm most excited about, is the ability to provide individual learning.
Today we're diving into the exciting world of ChatGPT Enterprise, the latest offering from OpenAI. It's making quite a buzz in the business world, and we're here to break it down for you in simple terms. So what's the deal with ChatGPT Enterprise? Well, it's like the regular ChatGPT you might know and love, but with some super cool extras tailored for businesses. Let's take a closer look. ChatGPT Enterprise is not just your regular AI assistant. It can perform all the tasks the standard version can handle, such as composing emails, generating essays, and debugging computer code. But what sets it apart are its robust privacy features designed to ensure the security of your data. Unlike the standard version, ChatGPT Enterprise doesn't use your data for training or any other purpose. In terms of speed, it's lightning fast, providing quicker responses and efficient interactions. Moreover, it offers a high degree of customization, allowing businesses to tailor it to their specific needs and preferences. This versatility and adaptability make it a strong contender in the market. Comparing it to Microsoft's Bing, ChatGPT Enterprise is in a neck-and-neck race. Both aim to cater to businesses, but ChatGPT Enterprise's unique features and privacy advantages make it a formidable competitor in the field of AI-powered business solutions. OpenAI's assertion that ChatGPT has become indispensable in organizations is supported by substantial evidence. Their claim of adoption in over 80% of Fortune 500 companies is a testament to its widespread appeal and utility. This staggering adoption rate underscores the increasing recognition among businesses of the transformative potential of AI. Indeed, AI integration has proven to be a game changer for these enterprises, leading to enhanced operational efficiency, significant cost reductions, and more informed decision-making processes. However, as businesses delve into the AI landscape, the paramount concern remains data security and simplicity of implementation. ChatGPT Enterprise addresses this concern by offering a secure and user-friendly solution. With its robust privacy features and straightforward deployment, it provides businesses with the assurance they need to harness the power of AI while safeguarding their data and maintaining operational simplicity. In essence, ChatGPT Enterprise is a strategic enabler for organizations seeking to navigate the AI-driven future effectively. The adoption of ChatGPT Enterprise by prominent organizations like Block, Canva, Carlyle, Estee Lauder, PwC, and Zapier is a compelling testament to its real-world effectiveness. These companies represent diverse sectors ranging from technology to cosmetics and professional services, and their endorsement of ChatGPT Enterprise carries significant weight. Reports from these major players in their respective industries indicate that ChatGPT Enterprise has delivered tangible benefits. It has streamlined their operations, making processes more efficient and reducing the time required for tasks. Improved communications within these organizations has led to enhanced collaboration and clarity in conveying information. Furthermore, the fact that these companies, known for their commitment to excellence and innovation, have embraced ChatGPT Enterprise underscores its credibility and potential to drive positive change across various sectors. Their successful experiences serve as compelling case studies for other businesses looking to leverage AI to enhance their operations and outcomes. Now, let's break down what makes ChatGPT Enterprise different from the standard ChatGPT you might be familiar with. The admin console in ChatGPT Enterprise is a powerful tool that empowers organizations to have precise control over their AI usage. This feature allows administrators to efficiently manage user access within their teams. They can designate who can use ChatGPT Enterprise, ensuring that it aligns with their organizational structure and security policies. Moreover, the admin console provides detailed usage tracking and analytics, offering insight into how the AI is being utilized. This data can be invaluable for businesses to assess the impact of ChatGPT Enterprise, optimize its usage, and allocate resources effectively. The level of control offered by the admin console ensures that organizations can customize ChatGPT Enterprise according to their specific needs and workflows. This level of adaptability and oversight is vital for businesses seeking to harness AI while maintaining governance and compliance standards, making ChatGPT Enterprise a trusted and flexible solution for modern enterprises. Data safety and privacy are paramount concerns for businesses in today's digital age. ChatGPT Enterprise addresses these concerns comprehensively, ensuring the utmost protection for sensitive information. Unlike the standard ChatGPT, which utilizes user data for training and improvement, ChatGPT Enterprise operates on a strict principle. Your data remains solely within your organization. One standout feature is SOC 2 compliance compliance, a rigorous certification process by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. SOC 2 compliance attests to ChatGPT Enterprise's commitment to adhering to strict standards in safeguarding data. It encompasses key aspects such as security, availability, processing, integrity, confidentiality, and privacy. This certification serves as a tangible assurance of ChatGPT Enterprise's dedication to data security and its ability to meet the stringent requirements demanded by businesses. By offering an extra layer of protection and ensuring that user data is never leveraged for broader purposes, ChatGPT Enterprise provides a trusted and secure AI solution that aligns with today's heightened data privacy expectations. ChatGPT Enterprise's unlimited access to GPT-4 is a significant leap forward in AI capability. GPT-4, known for its superior language understanding and generation, boasts a remarkable 32,000 token context window, far surpassing its predecessor. This extensive context window enables users to engage in longer and more contextually aware conversation, making it ideal for complex tasks and comprehensive data analysis. The absence of usage caps in ChatGPT Enterprise is a substantial advantage. Many AI solutions limit usage based on subscription tiers or pricing models, constraining organizations' ability to fully exploit the technology's potential. In contrast, ChatGPT Enterprise empowers businesses to utilize the AI model without worrying about arbitrary restriction, ensuring uninterrupted and seamless access. This unlimited access is a testament to OpenAI's commitment to providing businesses with the tools they need to enhance their productivity, streamline operations, and drive innovation. It allows organizations to leverage the power of GPT-4 to its fullest extent, making ChatGPT Enterprise a valuable asset for businesses of all sizes and industries. The code interpreter in ChatGPT Enterprise, exclusive to GPT-4, represents a groundbreaking advancement in data analysis and visualization. Its capabilities extend beyond traditional AI, as it can effectively organize diverse data formats, generate detailed charts, and perform intricate data analyses, all through simple and intuitive user commands. This functionality is a game changer for businesses. It streamlines the often labor-intensive process of data analysis, significantly reducing the time and effort required. It allows users to swiftly derive meaningful insights from complex data sets, leading to more informed decision-making. In practical terms, this translates into substantial cost savings. By automating data analysis tasks that would otherwise demand specialized expertise or extensive manual effort, ChatGPT Enterprise with the code interpreter contributes to more efficient operation and resource allocation within organizations. This exclusive feature enhances ChatGPT Enterprise's value proposition, positioning it as a powerful tool for businesses seeking to extract actionable insights from their data while optimizing their data analysis workflows. ChatGPT Enterprise's emphasis on customization is a significant advantage for businesses. It offers a library of ready-made chat templates designed to streamline the creation of specialized chatbots. These templates cover a wide array of tasks, including customer service, trivia games, and more. What sets ChatGPT Enterprise apart is its adaptability. Users can effortlessly customize these templates to align with their unique requirements, ensuring that the chatbot fits seamlessly into their workflows. This versatility empowers businesses to deploy chatbots for specific purposes, without the need for extensive development time or resources. The availability of customizable chat templates simplifies the implementation of AI-powered solutions, making ChatGPT Enterprise an accessible and flexible tool for businesses across diverse industries and use cases. Moreover, ChatGPT Enterprise provides API credits, offering users the ability to access advanced features and seamlessly integrate it into other systems used by their organization. This level of customization and integration ensures that ChatGPT Enterprise can seamlessly become a part of an organization's existing workflow, enhancing productivity and efficiency across the board. OpenAI's commitment to innovation doesn't stop with the current features of ChatGPT Enterprise. They have an exciting roadmap ahead with a slew of impressive updates. Firstly, the addition of tools to write code is a game changer. It will allow users to automate coding tasks more efficiently, significantly increasing productivity. Summarizing text is another valuable tool, simplifying the process of extracting essential information from lengthy documents or articles. The capability to recognize images opens up new horizons for ChatGPT Enterprise, as it can enhance its understanding of visual content, making it even more versatile. Perhaps most intriguing is OpenAI's plan to develop specialized versions of ChatGPT tailored to different industries. For instance, in marketing, it could help create compelling ad copy, analyze market trends, or assist with campaign strategies. In healthcare, it could aid in medical research, patient care, or data analysis, revolutionizing these sectors. These forthcoming updates reflect OpenAI's commitment to continuously enhance ChatGPT ChatGPT Enterprise, making it an indispensable tool across various industries and demonstrating its potential to revolutionize workflows and decision-making processes in numerous sectors. In conclusion, ChatGPT Enterprise is poised to make a big splash in the business AI world. It's secure, fast, and highly adaptable. We're excited to see how it transforms the way businesses use AI. What do you think? Will it shake up the business AI landscape? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.